Welcome back to Quiz Rooster. Get ready for the ultimate Would You Rather. Can you handle the most challenging choice ever? Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Rooster channel for more exciting quizzes. First questions: Would you rather no internet forever or no AC forever? Good choice. Next one: Would you rather know only the date or know only the time? Right. Would you rather unlimited money or unlimited friend? Hardest choice. Read minds, never speak, or speak, never read minds. Tough one. Yes. Would you rather no music or no movies? Would you rather always use ChatGPT or always use DeepSeek? Tough choice. Great. Choose your choice. Always tell the truth or always lie. Would you rather famous but unhappy or unknown but happy? Never eat favorite food or only eat favorite food? Yes. Would you rather movies on Netflix or movies on YouTube? Right. Would you rather walk on glass or walk on nails? Tough one. Would you rather chocolate cupcake or vanilla cupcake? Please comment your choice. Would you rather burger or pizza? Please comment your choice. Would you rather bite your tongue or burst a lip? Choose your choice. Fly on helicopter or fly on aeroplane? Would you rather no social media or no TV or movies? Would you rather never feel love or never feel happiness? Good choice. Would you rather talk to animals or talk to plants? Great choice. Would you rather unlimited knowledge or unlimited creativity? Yes. Would you rather no laughter or no tears? Choose your choice. Control fire or control water? Tough one. Great choice. Would you rather never sleep or sleep 12 hours daily? Yes. Would you rather no colors or no sounds? Would you rather no sweet or no savory food? Would you rather erase your past or see your future? Would you rather always physically tired or always mentally tired? Would you rather no technology or no nature? Choose your choice, no phone or no computer. Would you rather talk to the dead or talk to aliens? Great. Would you rather no stars or no moon? Would you rather tea or coffee? Choose your choice, live underwater or live in a space. Would you rather eat raw fish or eat raw egg? Would you rather never travel or never stay home? Would you rather no sun or no butter? Choose your choice, trip to France or trip to Japan. My choice is Japan. Would you rather white chocolate or milk chocolate? Would you rather grab a cactus or like the video? Please like this video. Would you rather caramel popcorn or cotton candy? Yes. Would you rather live forever alone, live for loved ones? Great choice. Would you rather never see family or never see friend? Choose your choice, always be hungry, always full. Would you rather speak all language or write all language? Would you rather always 10 minutes late or always 10 minutes early? Choose your choice, no emotion or no logic. Would you rather control animals or control humans? Would you rather enjoy summer or enjoy winter? Enjoy winter. Would you rather Spider-Man or Iron Man? Choose your choice, fight Godzilla or fight Kong. Very dangerous. Would you rather diamond necklace or diamond ring? Yes. Thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.